Right, so let's go ahead and see some examples bago tayo mag-solve ng mga subnetting problems. Or ito, magsasolve na tayo, pero let's do some basic subnetting scenario or sample para mag-gets mo kung para saan talaga or saan ginagamit yung tinatawag nating subnetting or pagsasubnet. Okay, let's take for example, we have a scenario or you've been tasked as an aspiring network engineer or probably sa exam or sa interview, tinanong ka, hey, Ramirez, can you split 192.168.1.0/24 into 3 subnets? Okay? Hey, hold up, baby. Okay? So, you're seeing this as an example. So, we're gonna go through the process na nakasanayan at ginamit ko throughout my career para mabilis kang matuto ng subnetting. Again, if you already know the process, mas mabilis ka na doon, mas sanay ka na doon, stick with that. Pero kung wala pa, use this. Okay? So, if you've been tasked to split 192.168.1.0/24 into 3 subnets, ito yung ideal process na gagawin natin. Okay? Excuse me. Ibig sabihin na hatiin daw natin into 3 networks yung 192.168.1.0. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ayaw natin gamitin yung /24 na default. Diba? So, manghiram tayo ng bits. We're gonna steal bits from the host portion para magamit pa sa network portion. Very good? Okay. Let's go ahead and start. Okay. So, alam natin by default na si 192.168.1.0/24 is using /24 subnet mask, right? So, 24 na ones na magkakasunod. Yung first 3 octets, lahat yon ones para sa network. And then yung last part, which is 8 0 is para sa host. So, ang gagawin natin, we're gonna steal some bits here para magamit natin into this side para ma-assign siya sa network at magkuha natin yung 3 subnets na hinihingi. So, ang kailangan natin dito is new subnet mask. Okay, kasi nga, we need to split this network into 3 subnets. So, ano yung makakapagbigay? Anong subnet mask makakapagbigay sa atin ng 3 networks? Let's start. Yung process natin, we're gonna use our finger. Pero this time, I'll introduce you a new value dun sa mga fingers natin. Kasi alam na natin yung subnet mask value na 128.192.224.240.248.255.255. Diba? Alam na natin. Tapos yung nasa taas na 124.816.3264.128. So, alam na natin yun. Now, we're gonna have some new process here. So, ang kailangan nating mahanap is number of networks needed, which is here. So, alam na natin to 3. Yan yung hinihingi, given na yan. So, ang number of bits stolen from host portion, ito yung hahanapin natin at saka yung new subnet mask. Okay, so paano natin gagawin yon? Here's the process. So, ito yung fingers natin na sinasabi ko. So, nakatalikod ulit sa'yo. Nasaan yung camera ko? Yan. And then, you're gonna count from 2. Ito yung process natin. So, count from 2 from the smallest finger. So, 2 here. So, you can do this on left or right if you want. Pero, I'm starting on my right. Okay? So, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So, dinodoble mo lang yung sagot. So, count from 2 from the smallest finger, double until you accommodate the network needed. So, you don't actually care about the numbers. I mean, you care. Okay, promise. You care about the numbers. Ang kailangan mong mahanap is hanggang ma-accommodate mo yung number of networks or number of subnets na hinahanap, which is 3 in our scenario. So, ibig sabihin, kapag ang value na is pasok na yung 3, titigil ka na doon. Okay, so for this scenario, for this problem, we know that sa pangalawang finger pa lang kasi 2, 4. Okay, kasi nga yun yung value niya, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Bakit, Sir Billy, 2, 4, 6, 8, walang 1? Well, hindi naman natin kailangan na maghanap kung ang kailangan natin hinahanap ay 1. Di ba? Hindi na natin kailangan mag-subnet kung 1 network lang ang kailangan mo. Di ba? Isa pa, sabi ko nga, ito yung natutunan ko from my mentors. Okay? Actually, from Kate Barker din. Diba? So, he's using this. Anyway, so, double until you accommodate the network needed. So, 2, 4. So, 4 can accommodate 3. Or, yung 3 ba pasok sa 4? Yes. Diba? Yung 8, yes. Pero sobra na siya. Diba? So, we only need 2 fingers para ma-accommodate yung number 3. Yung 3 subnets or 3 networks na hinahanap. So, ang sagot natin dito, hindi yung number 4. Okay? So, ang sagot, hindi yung number 4, ilang daliri or ilang bits. Okay? Number of bits stolen from the host portion. So, ito yung number of bits natin. So, 1, 2. Kasi yung yung pangalawang finger mo, ang value niya dito sa process natin is 2. You're getting this, right? So, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 1, 2. Tuloy-tuloy ka lang. Wala ka nang pakialam dun sa mga pinag-usapan natin ng una. Now, hanggang ma-accommodate mo na, or kapag na-accommodate mo na yung hinahanap na number of networks, with those numbers, ang bibilangin mo yung kung ilang daliri yung nagamit mo. Kasi, yun yung bits na hinahanap natin. Again, ang bibilangin mo yung number or yung piraso ng daliri, yung bits na nagamit mo. So for this one, we only use 2 kasi 2, 4. 4 can accommodate 3. Ibig sabihin we only use 2 bits. Okay, so ang sagot natin dyan 2. Now, ang hinahanap natin is new subnet mask. Basically, here's our formula. New subnet mask is equals to old subnet mask plus number of fingers or number of bits used. Okay? Gets? Old subnet mask natin, ayun, 24. Tapos yung nagamit natin or yung kinuha nating bits, 2. Ibig sabihin, magiging /26. Gets na? Di ba kanina, we have 24 consecutive ones. Now, magiging 26, dapat magiging 1 na rin to. Okay? Pero syempre, divided pa rin into 8 kasi 8 pieces of binary kada octets. Okay? That means, hanggang dito na yung network natin. Nasaan na yun? Hanggang dito na yung network natin. Ang host natin, yung huling 6 na zeros na lang. You're getting this na? Diba? So, this means that 192.168.1.0/26 can give us 3 subnets or can give us 3 networks. So, imagine, we use the default Class C networks, hindi na natin sinusunod yung default subnet mask niya kasi we're using /26 here. That's basically the best and simple process I know na para ma-solve yung problem natin. So we're good with this again. Dito nalilito yung mga ibang mga members natin eh. You count by 2, doubling itself. And then once you accommodate the number of networks being asked or hinahanap na networks, hindi mo natitingnan yung number. Ang tinitingnan mo, yung number ng daliri na nagamit mo. That's basically equals to the number of bits stolen. Okay? We're good with this? You're good? So, that's why /24 yung original or old subnet mask mo, which is here. And then yung number of fingers used, which is 2. So, 2 plus 24 equals 26. Pag ilalagay mo yun sa long format, alam natin, di ba? So, ano yung long format niyan? /26, di ba? Yung binary format niya, 26 na ones. Now, ano yung long format? Yung 24 na ones, alam natin, 255, 255 yun. So, 25, okay, from left to right ka ulit, 25, 26. So, nasa pangalawa ka. Gets nyo to, yung subnet mask natin? So, 128, 192, yung subnet mask value niya, yung kulay green. Tanda? So, ang magiging long format niyan is 255, kita ba? 255.255.255.192. You're getting this? Okay, let's have another example para talagang magets mo. Okay, now, split 172.16.1.0/16 into 6 subnets. Okay, so again, this is a Class B network using default subnet mask. Now, i-split down natin into 6 subnets. So, basically, if we're gonna look at the default, ayan yung given natin. And then, by default, ito yung ginagamit ng subnet mask for now. Right? Now, we're gonna subnet this and split it into 6 subnets. Ano yung kailangan natin? Kailangan nating malaman kung ilang bits yung hihiramin natin in the host portion at i-assign natin sa network portion. So, ang kailangan natin, bits at saka new subnet mask. Right? So, ito yung mga kailangan natin. Number of networks needed, this is given, 6. Diba? So, ayun yun eh. Okay, yun yung hinahanap natin. Now, let's go ahead and go with our formula. So, dito sa formula natin, again, you're gonna place your finger on the front from 2 sa hindi liit mo. Nasaan na yun? Dito, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So, ilang fingers yung kailangan mo para ma-accommodate yung 6? Di ba? So, we know na sa pangatlong fingers na may value 8, we can already accommodate 6. Pero hindi yung 8 yung kinukuha mo. Ang kinukuha mo kung ilang daliri or kung ilang bits ang nagamit mo to accommodate that number of networks. So, ang sagot natin, 1 bit, 2 bit, Or 1 daliri, 2 daliri, 3 daliri. So, ang sagot dyan is 3. Right? Now, ang process natin, as what I've shared you earlier, ang kailangan nating makuha is new subnet mask. Ang sagot doon, or para makuha yun, ang formula is old subnet mask plus number of fingers used, which is 3. So, ang old subnet mask natin, /16 or 16. So, magiging sagot, 16 plus 3 equals /19. Okay? Ang long format niyan is /19. Diba? So, alam natin na kapag /16, 255, diba? 255, 16. Now, 17, 18, 19. So, pangatlo. Diba? So, from the left, yung subnet mask values natin, yung kulay green. So, 128, 192, 224. You're getting this? You're following this? Good. Okay? So, 224.0. Okay? O kaya naman, 19 na ones na magkakasunod. That can give us 6 subnets from this network. Okay? So, Billy, ano yung mga networks na yun? Mamaya, kalma, bes. Okay? Sinasanay pa kita kung paano i-split. Tsaka isa pa, we're just here in the sample. Okay? So, mamaya, check natin kung ano-ano yung mga subnet, kung ano yung mga range, etc. Kung ano yung network address, kung ano yung broadcast address, etc. So, kalma ka lang, bes. We're gonna go with that. Inihahanda lang kita para dun sa masarap na pagkain namin. Okay? Let's go ahead with the next example. Okay? So, on this one, ayan, Class A IP, still using the default subnet mask, 10.0.0.0/8, split daw natin into 20 subnets. Okay, so same process, same formula. Let's go ahead with it. So, alam natin si 10.10.0/8, it's a default, right? So, /8 Class A, and then ang subnet mask niya is 255.0.0.0, tapos in binary, 8 ones, and then 24 na zeros para sa host. So, ang kailangan nating mahanap is number of networks or subnets needed, which is 20, okay? And then ang hinahanap natin, number of bits na magagamit or number of daliri, tapos yung new subnet mask. Let's go ahead with our formula. So, from the fingers in your screen right now or in your front, ilang daliri magagamit mo para ma-accommodate yung 20? Di ba? So, nakikita ko na din sa screen. Yan, bilis eh. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So, sa 16, ma-accommodate mo na ba yung 20? No. Sa 32, ma-accommodate mo na ba yung 20? Yes. So, 32. Now, hindi 32 yung sagot. Ang sagot, ilang daliri yung nagamit mo. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's basically tells us the number of bits we use to split 10.0.0/8 into 20 subnets. So, ang sagot, 5 bits. Ngayon, para makuha mo yung new subnet mask, ang sagot, all subnet mask, which is taken from the given, /8 plus 5. So, 8 plus 5 equals 13. Okay? So, ang sagot dyan, /13. So, ang sagot, ito, 10.0.0.0/13. So, kukunin mo lang yung base network, and then you're gonna use the slash, or yung sagot. Okay? We're good with this? You're good? You getting this, right? You're following this. So, ito lang yung proseso natin. You count by 2, doubling itself. And then, yun nga, hanggang makuha mo, o ma-accommodate mo yung hinihinging number of networks, hindi nang kukunin mo. I mean, kukunin mo is yung number of daliri or number of bits na ginamit mo. Tapos, para makuha mo yung new subnet mask, old subnet mask, which is taken from the given, okay? And then, ipa-plus mo yung new subnet, yung number of bits. That's why we have here. So, we're good with this. Madali lang naman to eh. Okay, makikita nyo to sa mga subnetting questions, even sa interview or sa exam. Right? Let's go ahead and with our final example. So, with this one, still a Class B network. Okay, so 172.16.10.0. 172.16.10.0/16. Split natin into 40 subnets. Right? So, alam natin, si 172 is a Class B network using 255.255.0.0 or 16 na ones na magkakasunod as their or as is subnet mask. Now, ang kailangan nating mahanap is 40. Okay? I'm doing this on the fly. Okay? Number of bits stolen, tsaka yung new subnet mask. So, going with our process, dun sa first finger natin, ang pinakamalaking number natin is 32. It still cannot accommodate 40. Diba? So now, you're gonna use your second finger and still double it. So, dodoblehin mo lang uli. Ano yung kasunod ng 32? 64. 32. Ang kasunod niya, 64. Diba? So, walang pattern. Kahit aling daliri ang gamitin mo. Basta, kung dito ka nagsimula, sunod-sunod lang siya. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 para ma-accommodate mo yung number of 40. So, yung pasok na ba yung 40 or ma-accommodate na ba yung 40 inside 64? The answer is yes, right? So, ilang bits, ilang daliri na gamit mo? 6. Right? So, 6. Once you get this, ipa-plus mo lang siya doon. So, 16 plus 16 equals /22. O kaya naman, ilagay mo na rin yung 172.16.10.0/22. Diba? Kasi ito yung formula natin para makuha yung new subnet mask, old subnet mask plus number of fingers or bits used. We're good with this? This is just a sample. Okay? Sample. Practice pa lang yan. Mamaya bibigyan kita ng mga subnetting questions or subnetting problems at kailangan masagot mo. Kailangan matandaan mo to because this is one of the fundamentals of subnetting. You split, kasi that's basically the rules. That's basically what we call subnetting. You split a given subnet into multiple subnets or multiple VLANs. Diba? For example, sa exam or sa interview. Ramirez, can you split this /24 into 4 VLANs? It's the same thing. Okay? VLANs is equals to subnet or is equals to network. Okay? Yeah, when we go with VLANs, pareho yan. Okay? We're gonna split a main subnet into different VLANs which is also different subnets. Pareho lang yun. Okay? Kasi kino-customize natin para ma-optimize and efficient yung network natin. So, we're good with this process. Very good. So, in the next video, okay, we're gonna do some other scenarios or other problems in subnetting. I'm gonna teach you the process para talagang mas masanay ka. Okay? We're good with this? Okay? So, I'm gonna cut this video here. I'm gonna cut this lesson here. I'll see you in the next one. Make sure this video sinks in. Okay? Napakadali naman ng proseso. So, tandaan mo lang kung paano kumuha ng bits. Once you get the number of fingers used, boom! Panis. Okay? I'll see you in the next video.